Hello, this is Ryan from Mosaic Lane. Today I'm going to show you how to make a photo mosaic using our website. You can start by clicking this Create My Photo Mosaic button. Among many options you have to select your big picture from. I'm going to select File to upload big picture from my computer. You can click Add Photos to add your small pictures right away, or you can click Edit Big Picture to crop or change your big picture. Once you click Google, you'll need to sign in to your Google account to look into your Google Photos album. After logging in, you can select your album and select individual photos or click Upload Everything. Once it is done adding, you can see your mosaic preview right away, and soon after, you'll see your mosaic in high resolution. At this point, you can click Add Photos to add more photos or click Edit Mosaic to make further adjustments. I'm going to select Colorization and Dimension to select a different dimension and move the slider around to see which colorization makes the mosaic look better, and then click Save. After zooming in to see the tiles, I can control the type placements by clicking Edit Mosaic once again and click Placements. I'm going to tune my even spread factor to control how tiles are evenly spread out in my mosaic. The lower value provides more even distribution, but it can also lower the quality of the mosaic. I can also click individual tiles on the mosaic to control them individually. I will also change this tile's colorization because this tile is the part of the eye. I replace this tile to another one. I will crop this tile to feature what I want to show. And finally, I will also delete this tile because I don't want this to be part of this mosaic. You can share the mosaic by clicking this share button and click share, or embed to put the mosaic into your website. I will select the embed and embed the mosaic. You will need to set the privacy setting to unlisted or public to let others see this mosaic. It is also a good idea to check Show Details to see what improvements you can make from this mosaic with color match, colorization, dimension, and small pictures. You can also click Buy Now to buy the mosaic. There are many prints options you can choose from, as well as many sizes. If your size doesn't appear, we recommend you go back to the mosaic and click Edit Mosaic and click Big Picture to adjust the crop. Once you select the print size and the type, you can see the 3D model and then click on the model to see it in the first screen. You'll be asked to type in your shipping information. You'll be prompted with the ETA to estimate when the actual item will arrive. Once you finish typing billing address, you can either type in your credit card information or click Pay with PayPal button to place the order.